Good morning, I'm Daniel Van Gundy, Safety Manager for Loven Contracting. This week's Toolbox talk is on safe driving. It requires awareness, responsibility, and defensive driving techniques to prevent accidents and protect everyone on the road. Whether driving a personal or company vehicle, being cautious and alert when driving is very important. This Toolbox talk provides an overview of safe driving practices, including defensive driving strategies, traffic laws, and essential precautions to ensure road safety. One of the most important aspects of safe driving is maintaining situational awareness. Drivers should continuously scan the road, checking mirrors frequently to monitor the behavior of vehicles, pedestrians, and bicyclists. Anticipating potential hazards and being prepared to react promptly can prevent collisions and other dangerous incidents. When driving on a job site, additional precautions are necessary, and it's important to be mindful of pipes, excavations, heavy equipment, and workers. Remember, on a Loven Contracting job site, the speed limit is 5 miles an hour. Don't go any faster. Backing up requires extra caution as well. Use a spotter whenever you need to, and consider backing into parking spaces to provide a clearer view when exiting the space. Eliminating distractions is another critical component of safe driving. A driver's full attention should be on the road at all times. Avoid using mobile phones, eating, drinking, or reaching for objects when driving. Even a momentary distraction can lead to a serious accident. It is illegal in the state of Arizona to even hold a cell phone when operating a vehicle, hands-free only. Maintaining a safe following distance helps prevent rear-end collisions. The 3-second rule is an effective way to ensure enough space between vehicles. Choose a fixed object on the road and count 3 seconds from when the vehicle in front of you passes the same object until you do. If you are at 3 seconds, you're good. If you've reached that point in less than 3 seconds, you are following too closely. If conditions are poor, such as in rain, snow, or fog, increase this distance to allow for longer stopping times. Always obey posted speed limits and adjust your speed accordingly. In construction zones on the road, be extra cautious of lane shifts, detours, trucks pulling out, and slow-moving equipment. Always slow down in a work zone. Understanding and following traffic laws is fundamental. Seatbelts are mandatory at all times when operating a vehicle. The Arizonan myth that only the driver is required to wear a seatbelt is false. All occupants of a motor vehicle must wear a seatbelt. Driving under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or certain medications that impair reaction time is illegal and dangerous. Drivers must obey all road signs, signals, and markings when yielding to pedestrians, emergency vehicles, and buses. In the state of Arizona, it is required by law to slow down or change lanes away from a vehicle that's stopped on the side of the road. Proper use of turn signals is also very important. Indicate lane changes, turns, and merges in advance to ensure other drivers have enough time to react. Safe driving is not just a personal responsibility, it affects everyone on the road. By staying alert, eliminating distractions, maintaining safe distances, and following traffic laws, drivers can prevent accidents and contribute to a safer work environment on our roads. Always prioritize safety when operating a vehicle. Let's work together and make sure our roads and job sites are safer for everyone. That concludes this week's Toolbox Talk. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please reach out to Loven Contracting. Have a great day and stay safe.